Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2001 Mazda 323, stock number 5991. This ran from 0998 to 06 2002. Has a BJ 1600 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a BJ 1600 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 14-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 14-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 14-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door, 3 dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 14-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.